do a little walk, and it's like 2-3 degrees out here right now. It's really cold. The sun is out, but it's like really super cold, and with the wind chill it's in the negatives. But I haven't been out in a long time, and I just needed to get out, and I haven't done a video in forever. So I thought it would be important for me to get out here and get a walk in, since it's not something I've done in, oh, I don't know, a week or so now. I've been stuck inside and it's just not working for me. So I got a list of a bunch of videos that I want to do, but none of them I really think I'm going to do right now. I don't know, I just don't feel like it. I just want to be out here walking around and enjoying nature. You know, I'm not going to do a bunch of crazy angles or setting the camera down and doing stuff. I'm just going to walk. Something I haven't done, like I said, in about a week or so, and I just really miss it. So, and I thought I'd bring you along. I haven't done a video. I haven't actually filmed a video in weeks. I've had a few I put up that I've already had waiting around, but oof. So I'm just gonna walk around and enjoy this, and of course I'm gonna share it with everybody.